This is Dala. She's a female elephant we rescued from south of Thailand. She was using her trunk as her fourth leg instead of her actual leg. She had her leg broken. First time I met her was you could instantly see she was really skinny, very skinny. And if you looked at her leg, just wait, she'd be standing very uptight like this. And you could very obviously see that one leg was just a lot more swollen than the other. First thing I'd say is very long. So it took us about 30 odd hours. So essentially we'd have her, she was on the back of the truck, and we sat with her for the whole journey and basically just cared for her, made sure she was okay. So cleaned up after her, made sure she was eating, made sure she was drinking. To be able to say that I was directly involved with helping one elephant, what is definitely one of the best feelings you're ever going to get. You spend 31 hours with her in a truck, constantly with her, constantly talking to her. For her to be able to stand for 31 hours on a truck is very difficult. I think her strength is something that's impressed me the most. Throughout the whole thing, she never once caused us any trouble. She's probably one of the most gentle elephants I've ever met. She's just so nice, and despite the fact of what's going on, and now she's here. So yeah, the fact that I've always wanted to do a rescue, I've always wanted to be involved. Elephants are something I'm really passionate about, and the fact that I got to go on this mission was really big for me. Her first step, she spent 10 minutes in the pile of sand just doing what elephants do, and now for the next, I don't know, maybe 80 years, she can do what she wants. She can do whatever she wants to do.